Hey everyone, this is Hassan Akhtar. आज की हमारी साउंड्स हैं स and the. स and the, as in the or that or those, and the th sound as in thank you or theater. अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम उर्दू और हिंदी स्पीकर्स जो हैं इन साउंड्स को मिस प्रोनाउंस कर जाते हैं, गलत पढ़ लेते हैं या गलत समझ जाते हैं हमारी उर्दू और हिंदी की जो साउंड्स दाल और जाल हैं उनके साथ, जबकि ये वो नहीं है. As I often say, every language has its own different taste and structure. These the and sir sounds are totally different from the dal and zal sound in Urdu and Hindi. How you have to pronounce the sound? Now see, you bring your tip of tongue a little out from your mouth, then you touch your tip of tongue right in the middle of your upper and lower teeth, and then you pronounce the or the th sounds. This is the exact way. Now, how we Urdu and Punjabi and Hindi speakers pronounce it? We bring our tip of tongue right behind the upper teeth and then we pronounce it, and which is incorrect, by the way. Well, I'm again not saying that is altogether incorrect, but this is how this sound should be pronounced. Now look at this gori for the further detail. Look right at how the teeth and the tip of tongue and the lips of this gori ma'am works. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to explain why I use the short video clips of this gori ma'am. There are a couple of reasons. The first one is that my symmetry of teeth is not as sweet and beautiful as that of hers, I mean this Gauri madam. And secondly, because we people love to see the Gauris, so that's why I decided that I should add a couple of small video clips of this Gauri madam, giving the details of this production of sound. I hope you like it better. You wouldn't like my teeth looking so closely. I just have a feeling. Okay, so coming back, now this is the way you should pronounce the and the th sound. Now we look at a couple of sentence examples. I thought that my brother was attending a marriage ceremony. I thought that my brother was attending a marriage ceremony. Now you can also pronounce it like this. My brother was attending a marriage ceremony. That's an English, but as I often say that there is not a big margin between speaking English and speaking good English. So if you want to speak good English, you have to start copying the sound the way it should be pronounced. Repeating it again. I thought that my brother was attending a marriage ceremony. The second example now. I thought that there was a mini theater in the theater company. I thought that there was a mini theater in the theater company. This is how you pronounce the th and the sounds, ladies and gentlemen. That's it for today. This is Hassan Akhtar Nisar. See you next time.